Hello everyone, my name is Amir Ali Delaveri. I'm solution engineer here at Spherene, and today I want to show you how to use Spherene in Fusion environment. So the first step after opening the Fusion is to click on New, open a new project. Be careful when you click on the new here, you need to use hybrid design. Otherwise, you cannot use Spherene in the Fusion 360. So go with hybrid design. Your project has created. I want to start by a simple sphere shape. I picked this one. Okay, I would go with, yeah, 40 millimeters should be fine for me. Okay, I have a sphere here, very simple. I want to put ADMS inside this sphere. So what I need to do is to go to bodies and create a component from this body. This step is essential to be able to use a screen. Otherwise, the screen does not recognize your body here. So you need to activate this component too. And now when you create a component and you activated it, it is ready to go for screen. So we see the screen box here, the connectors after utilities. First step, you need to choose envelope and choose the place that you want to have your ADMS in it. You click on this shape, or you can click here, both are the same, and okay. So now that system screen recognizes your envelope, you are free to go with compute directly, or you can go with add edit fill and put density thickness. We are going to go through all these step by step, but at the moment, very quickly, let's go have a compute. I will not change anything special. I will just activate the high power compute HPC, and yeah, ask for solid surface also. We talk about these in the next videos. Okay. So when you click on OK, here a pop-up appears and gives you a little bit of information about what is going on. How long does it take? How many tokens does it cost? Here we go. Okay, so the calculation is over. And now we can see a screen right here. So you open component, you open bodies, and you can see here a screen single surface and a screen solid surface. I just want to check the solid surface. Solid surface is solid, it has thickness, but single surface is just a surface. So you cannot see the thickness actually. Okay, here it is. Looks nice. And that was the first lesson. See you in the next one.